So we'll now continue from where we stopped in part 32. Okay, choose the option that best completes the gaps. So this one is filling in the gaps with the options. Okay, Lemoti dash as a painter, but also as a sculptor. Lemoti dash as a painter, but also as a sculptor. A is gifted only not as a painter. B is only not gifted. C is gifted not only as a painter. D is only gifted. The answer is C. Lemoti is gifted not only as a painter but also as a sculptor. Remember, the question is always choose the one that best fits into the question, into the statement. Okay, look at this question 67. Right, what you are watching is part 33 of the expo questions, past question and answer, preparatory questions we are giving you to get you set so that you can score 300 and above in your JAMB exam. He can recall the important dates in the nation's history. It is interesting to listen as he rattles dash. He can recall the important dates in the nation's history. It is interesting to listen as he rattles dash. A, off. B, over. C, up. D, out. The answer, as he rattles off. As he rattles off. As he rattles off. So off follows rattles. Question 68. Remember, we are filling in the gap. Last Monday, his father asked me dash. Last Monday, his father asked me dash. A, if I had come some days before. B, if I had come the day before. C, did you come yesterday? D, had I come yesterday? Let's take the question again. Last Monday, his father asked me dash. A, if I had come some days before. B, if I had come the day before. C, did you come yesterday? And D, had I come yesterday? Last Monday, his father asked me, the answer is A. His father asked me if I had come some days before. The boy told his mother dash. The boy told his mother dash. A, that was the girl he told her about. That was the girl I told you about her. That was the girl I told her about. That is the girl he told her about. The boy told his mother. That was the girl he told her about. That was the girl I told you about. That was the girl I told you about. Okay, that is the answer. The answer, that was the girl I told you about. The answer is option C. The answer to question, the boy told his mother, that was the girl I told, that was, the answer is option B. Although there is a mistake here. This ha is not supposed to be there. The boy told his mother, that was the girl I told you about. Okay. Question 70. Let's look at this question. His wife was badly injured in the fracas, but I think she will pull dash. His wife was badly injured in the fracas. That means maybe there was a fight or accident or something. His wife was badly injured in the fracas, but I think she will pull dash. A, she will pull up. B, she will pull over. C, she will pull through. D, she will pull back. The answer to question 70 the answer to question 70 is C. But I think she will pull through. That means I think she will recover, or I think she will overcome. Okay, there's a difference between pull through and pull over, or pull up, or pull back. Okay, 71. Are you following? Remember that what you are watching is is part 33. We started from part 1. If I were you, I will go back after watching this particular part. I will go back to part 1 and watch it, then go back to part 2, watch it over and over again with my paper and my pen, then watch part 3, part 4, watch all the parts, all the videos. Remember, use of English is so crucial. Use of English, they will bombard you with 60 questions and give you 40 seconds to answer each of them. So you need to prepare. You need extra level of preparation. So go over and start from part 1. If you need me to give you the link, access to all of the videos we have done on use of English, just ask me in the comment section. If you are a serious student, if you are a serious follower, if you will not joke with it when I give it to you, just ask me and I could give them to you, so that we begin from part 1. 71, we are completing the spaces. A wide range of options made available to students in their final year last year. A wide range of options made available to students in their final year last year. A, is made available. B, were made available. C, are made available. D, was made available. The answer is D, was made available. Why not were made available? If we say range of options were made available, that is correct. But this one is a wide range. You see that A singularizes it. Okay. Are you following? 72. One of the women who in the premises been ordered to quit. One of the women who in the premises been ordered to quit. A, cells in the premises have been ordered to quit. B, cell in the premises has been ordered to quit. D, cell in the premises have been ordered to quit. D, cells in the premises has been ordered to quit. The answer is complicating but simple. One of the women who sell in the premises have been ordered to quit. One of the women who sell in the premises have been ordered to quit. The answer is option B. I need you to watch this particular class, this tutorial, with every atom of concentration. Let nothing distract you. Watch with your pen, your paper, and focus on your system. Watch on your phone. I don't know the gadget you are watching with, but let your attention be here 100%. Let us ride on. Remember that if you watch this particular video from beginning to the end, you will qualify to get free JAMB syllables and free JAMB past question. I've been giving it out for free. So if you need it, just watch this video till the end and I will send it to you. The new trade agreement should facilitate dash. The new trade agreement should facilitate dash. A, more economic rapid growth. B, economic more rapid growth. C, rapid economic more growth. D, more rapid economic growth. The new trade agreement should facilitate more rapid economic growth. That is the answer. D is the answer. The new trade agreement should facilitate more rapid economic growth. We now proceed. Okay. Question 44. Are you still here? Are you still following? The principal said that he was pleased my effort. The principal said that he was pleased my effort. A, on my effort. B, of my effort. C, with my effort. D, about my effort. What do you think is the answer? I will not answer question 74. Tell me the answer. Just attempt it. Remember, I won't be with you in the JAMB hall. So I will be giving you assignments, getting you prepared, getting you ready for the exam. The principal said that he was pleased my effort. My effort. A, on my effort, of my effort, with my effort, about my effort. Let me give you the question again. The principal said that he was pleased my effort. Tell me what you think is the answer. Okay, we now proceed to question 75. I hope you are following. Paper is made wood pulp. Pepper is made dash wood pulp. A. On wood pulps. B. Of wood pulp. C. From wood pulp. D. With wood pulp. Pepper is made on wood pulp, of wood pulp, from wood pulp, and with wood pulp. The answer is simple. The answer is pepper is made from wood pulp. You see, all of them are complicating. That is why you are lucky that you are watching these videos. You are getting yourself. You will be surprised at how far you will go in your JAMB exam. By the way, I want you to claim it that you will be among those that will enter school this year. Claim it. You will be among those that will score 300 and above. You will not score 200. You will not score 170, 130. When others are ashamed of their JAMB result, you will be proud of your own. You will be among those that will enter school, gain admission into your preferred university based on merit. You will be proud to invite me to your matriculation. If you claim it, type I claim it in the comment section. And let us keep being serious. Okay. Look at question 76. Long after everyone dashed the hall, Obi still sat inside. Long after everyone dashed the hall, Obi still sat inside. A. Long after everyone left the hall. B. Is leaving the hall. C. Has left the hall. D. Had left the hall. Long after everyone dashed the hall, Obi still sat inside. Long after everyone had left the hall. The answer is what? The answer is D. Had left the hall. We proceed. There are the dash dresses. There are the dash dresses. Question 77. There are the dash dresses. A. Baby's dresses. B. Baby dresses. C. Baby's dresses. D. Baba. The answer is A. They are the baby's dresses. B-A-B-Y, then apostrophe, then S. That is the rest are possessions of the baby. Okay, we now write down. I hope you are following. By the way, if you are learning from these videos I make, sometimes I feel you people are not really appreciating, or it's not helping anybody. If the videos I drop in this channel are helping you, please let me know. Let me know. Just tell me to write down. Tell me how these videos have been helping you. Give me your testimony. Knowing that these videos are helpful, seeing your testimonies will urge me, will encourage me to do more, right? And also, if there's any particular video I've not done or you want me to do, just also let me know and I could squeeze out time or tell my staff to do it for you. The politician was sent dash exile. The politician was sent dash exile. A. Onto exile. B. Into exile. C. On exile. D. To exile. The politician was sent onto exile, into exile, on exile, D. To exile. What do you think is the answer? Just think. The answer, the politician was sent on exile. On exile. On exile. That is why JAMB will keep twisting your head. And the more of these questions you watch, the more of the videos you watch, the better for you. If I were you, I would start from part 1. I also have done a lot of videos on chemistry, physics, biology, government, economics, literature, mathematics, and all your subjects. So if you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on any of those subjects, all of the videos, I can give it to you free. If you promise me that you will be serious with it, you will watch them, that you will watch them with concentration as you prepare for your exam, then tell me, mention the name of the subject and tell me, sir, please give me access to the videos you have done on this subject, and I could give you the link. You can just go lock yourself somewhere and watch it from beginning, from part 1 to the end. When we looked up question 79, we are continuing. When we looked up, we dashed the plane. When we looked up, we dashed the plane some miles away. When we looked up, we dashed the plane some miles away. A. Sight. B. Sight. C. Sight. Different sights. First site is S-I-T-E, second site is C-I-T-E-D, third site is cited, S-I-T-E-D, then cited, S-I-G-K-T-E-D. What do you think is the answer? For 79, the answer is D. The answer is what? D. The answer is D. We cited. The cited, that is we saw, that is with our eyes. With the cited we are looking at here, it comes from sight. You know sight and seeing. S-I-G-H-T. Then you now write E-D. I hope this video is helping somebody. If you are among those being helped by our channel, please let me know. If this channel is helping your life, helping your preparation, please give me your testimony, please. It will encourage me to do more videos for you. Okay, let's proceed. This question 8 is complicated, but we can tackle it. Let's look at it eyeball to eyeball. Vital dash is still spread dash word of mouth in most villages of Africa. Vital dash is still spread dash word of mouth in most villages of Africa. A. Vital information is still spread from, or is it B? Vital information is still spread with. Is it C? Vital information is still spread by, or is it D? Vital information is still spread through. What do you think is the answer? The answer is vital information is still spread through word of mouth. So the answer is option D. Option what? D. Look at question 81. Very, very, very important. Western education is one of the dash child trafficking. Western education is one of the dash child trafficking. A. Legacies child trafficking. B. Evidence child trafficking. C. Remnants of child trafficking. D. Inheritance of child trafficking. There is supposed to be of before child. Now when we come back in part 34, we will continue from question 81. For you to receive the free past question, free JAMB syllabus and other materials I promise you, do 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is join our YouTube channel. You have not joined our YouTube channel. So please, this is the time. Go ahead, click on join, see it as an investment. When you join, you will be able to speak with me directly. You will be able to talk with me directly. You will have my phone number. Just go ahead and join now. Number 2 is to like this video. Just boop the like button. Number 3, share this video. Share it, click on share. Share it is a very simple thing. Share it here on YouTube. Click on share. Share the video on WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp status, Facebook groups, Facebook status, Telegram channel. Share it to your friends, your well-wishers, your classmates group. Share it to everybody. Then lastly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Once you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Remember the assignments I gave you. Just type and subscribe. Once I see you type and subscribe, I will chat you up and send you those materials. There is a very important video I'm leaving for you free of charge. Just click on it and watch now.